What's up, my angels? Today I am doing a get ready with me, very chit chatty, and I'm excited to do this because I haven't been able to sit down and just talk to you guys about whatever the heck is on my mind in a minute. And today I'll be using one of my friends, Amber Scholl's new makeup collection. If you guys don't know who she is a DIY queen pretty much, and she's amazing, very nice person. Right here we have her AS Cosmetics Highlights palette. Comes with 4, and I already swatched them because when I first got them I was like, so I already got to say that I love her entire collection. I have swatched every single thing, but I wanted to do it on my face. I just got to play with it on my hand pretty much, but I want to see how it applies on the face. Oh my goodness, this is like gold heaven, and my eyes straight go to this one here, which is called Pretty Please. But before I get started into all the magic, I'm going to be talking to you guys really quickly about this amazing app that I have discovered recently that is called Drop. So let me give you guys a little rundown of what the Drop app is, and if you guys are interested to get this app, you guys can click in the description bar below, click my link, use my referral code, and if you guys want to win the giveaway that I'm going to be telling you guys about in a little second, then you guys have to make sure that you are having your debit or your credit card entered once you have the app. So what Drop does is basically a cashback type of app, rewarding you for shopping at the places that you normally shop at, which is amazing. So for example, I'm always going to Starbucks, and I know you guys do too, and along with McDonald's, I know, guilty pleasure, and then of course Sephora. So while I'm shopping at those places, since I do have my card linked to my account, whenever I'm shopping, the app recognizes the transactions that I'm making with my card. So it starts to accumulate points, and once those points are accumulated, it turns into prizes that I can later on use for, you know, free Starbucks, some things at Sephora, maybe some free McDonald's, because all those points are accumulating up to kind of add up as money or credits towards your next purchase. And come on now, I cannot be complaining about some free Starbucks, like. And also it is completely hassle-free because you do not have to be always having the app open. So it's really just there doing its thing while you're just doing your normal shopping. So now that you guys kind of get the gist of what the Drop app does, I'm going to be moving on to the giveaway. So I partnered with Drop this week and will be giving away an assortment of gift card prizes to my followers through the app. And also get this, 100 of you guys watching this who sign up with Drop with my code Aidette will be getting the chance to win $5 to $25 gift cards. And this will not be specifically chosen, it's going to be completely random. So once you finish downloading the app, make sure to enter the code Aidette, and also to finish up and get the chance to win, make sure that you have linked your card. So I'm curious, if you guys were to be the winner, where would you guys redeem your points? Because personally, I love spending my Drop points at Starbucks. And the contest ends on December 28th, 2018. So good luck to everybody, and let's get right on into the get ready with me. Alright, so before we get into Amber's collection, I'm going to be starting off with a whole bunch of new products. So not only am I trying out her collection, but I am also trying out some new products for you guys. So this is pretty much like a try new products video. I'm trying the Lime Creme Bushy-Brow. This one is in the shade Brownie. I should have kept the blonde one, but at the time I was very, very dark brown, so I didn't think of keeping it. I just feel like my eyebrows are not full enough to be doing this. Well, that's the bushiness going on right now, and this is actually my usual concealer, my favorite concealer, which is the Urban Decay All Nighter. I'm gonna be taking a little bit of that on a synthetic brush. I kind of clean these up just from the bottom. Ooh, yup, that looks so much better. Look how much more highlighted and clean. And I'm gonna be taking the little duo that kind of comes with it. This is the Lime Creme Bushy-Brow Strong Gel Hold. Oh, this is colored. Start at the ends. Ooh, give it some nice color. Ooh, I like that a lot actually. And then kind of feather it up in the fronts. Okay, so we got the eyebrows on, and I don't hate them. So I'm gonna be quickly moving on to the face. I'm gonna be using this Japanesque foundation. I have used this before. And then to set, I will be using this new Lancome powder. This is their Long Time No Shine translucent powder. So let's see how this one works. This one works pretty good. Oh, and I'm forgetting, I'm also gonna be using the new Huda Beauty, the Overachiever Concealer. This one is in the shade Nougat, and I'm thinking I might contour my face, and if I do, I'll be using the Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer, and this one's in the shade Peanut Butter. I forgot to mention, I'm also going to be trying out this Farsali Skin Tune Blur. I'm excited for this. So it comes out like a little milky white, so I'm just going to be putting it on. And to be completely honest, I'm not a big primer person because I feel like it just makes my makeup come off easier. Ooh, oh my god. This smells amazing. Please do me good. If this actually works, I'm gonna be so happy. Girl, jeez, this foundation is wildin'. My legs falling asleep because I'm sitting on them right now. So guys, yesterday I went to a Cardi party. I went to the Fashion Nova party, and I'm doing a whole story time on that. So that's gonna be quite the story. If you guys want to see that video, it is going to be linked below. I was just very shocked by the whole situation. I am so white. If you guys can see, there's like a slight little difference between my foundation and my neck. I literally have no foundation. Let me finish my thought before I freak out. I literally have no foundation that matches me, but oh my gosh guys, I was supposed to use the Too Faced Do You Full Coverage Foundation. I'm sad. Okay, I need to get over it. I'll just use it in the next video. Ah! I'm so mad that I couldn't use that for you guys today. Fudge. Or how do you open this thing? Oh, it's a twist, not a pull off. Yes, precision. Oh, that was the most satisfying. I want to keep applying this. Can this just be a foundation applicator? It smells really good too. It smells like they're powder. Also, side note, I really do love the Huda Beauty powder. And now I'm gonna be contouring around my face. Oh my gosh, hopefully it doesn't get on my blonde. That's like the struggle of being a blonde. Ooh, look at that color. Colors like this, I like really want to just scream with happiness. That's cute. I love this concealer already. So this scary situation happened in my complex, and this girl came up to me. She was trying to ask me for help, and I was trying to help her too. So keep in mind, this girl's my neighbor, and I found out later that she was my neighbor. So we exchanged numbers while the situation was happening. There's like noises in our complex and stuff. We were texting each other just to kind of give each other some security. So we would just kind of like update each other about the situation that was happening. Ooh, why is this not blending out very well right here? Maybe I put too much. I think that's what I did. And then her last message is, okay, I'll stop texting you. I'll stop bothering you. And I was like, oh yeah, that's not a bother, LOL. And I start to see her 3 times a week probably after that situation, and like now we just kind of pretend like we don't know each other. I mean, like, I wasn't the one that kind of started that. She was the one that just kind of stares at me and doesn't say anything, just kind of looks away, and I'm like, girl, we were bonded for a second. We were scared together. I put way too much. I'm just gonna be a cake face today. It's fine. Okay, I think I fixed it. That took about 5.5 years. That was definitely not Huda's fault. That was just me going overboard with the concealer. I really hope that this Lancome powder does not give me flashback, because that would be really sad. So I just finished up with my bronzer and my blush. So I used my usual bronzer. This is the Too Faced Dark Chocolate Soleil, and I also use a new blush, but I have used it before when Maggie came down. So this is the Obsessed blush by Urban Decay. On the cheeks, it's just like a very cute little flush, so you guys can see. You guys can make it very bright, but I made mine just kind of noticeable but not too there. Now moving on to the part that you all were waiting for. So I'm first going to be going in with Amber's highlight, just because I want to be highlighted up already. So I'm going to be going in with Like a Lady, which is the champagne goldy shade, and I'm so excited for you guys to see. Look at this. That's all I needed to show you guys. Oh my gosh, I love cheeks. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. Right away, y'all. Right away. Take me to highlighter heaven. Yes, Amber. Yes. Oh, hello. Oh, did I blind you? I'm sorry. I'm gonna be using my new Lime Crime brushes. Look at how cute. So for the crease, I'm gonna be taking all natural, and I'm just gonna be blending that into my crease, and then we're gonna be going in with a nice fun gold color. Ooh, guys, look at that pigment on the lower lash line. This is the same shade. Okay, and for the brow bone, I kind of want to do a highlight. So I'm going to be using that same highlight that we used earlier and just popping it right onto the brow bone. Okay, and for the lids, I'm just going to be using my finger, because I find that there is best pigment when you use your finger. So there's a lot of shades in here that I would love to use for my eyes, because I mean, like, look at all of that glitter overload. How do you just choose one color? Let me know. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take Bankroll, and I'm going to be applying it all over the eye, and then in the very center I'm going to be applying Pretty Please. Oh my gosh, guys, this is Bankroll. Whoa! it's like I'm applying literally 24 carats of gold on my eye. Oh my gosh, I just want to keep layering it. Oh my goodness, yeah. No words, period. Okay, so I'm gonna be applying Pretty Please in the center just to add that extraness, because come on now, we can't stop here. Best decision ever. Just adds more dimension, adds more glitter, more shimmer. I didn't know that it was possible for eyelids to look rich. All right, so now I'm gonna be applying some mascara and some lashes. So for my mascara, I'm gonna be using these Superhero It Cosmetics one, and this is what it looks like. I've never tried it before, so let's just do a little test. Ooh, it definitely thickens your lashes right away and lengthens. By adding a very black mascara that also thickens, I'm good to go. I don't even need to wear lashes, but I'm extra, so we're gonna always put on some lashes. Let's be real. This is probably my new favorite mascara, and that's a lot for me to say because mascaras to me are just like, okay, whatever, let's put this one on, let's hope it doesn't flake, and it should be good. Then I'll be using these Snowshoe Lashes by Feline Lashes, and this is what they look like. So I'm gonna get off camera and apply them, and I'll be right back. Probably one of my favorite looks that I haven't done in a long time. All I have to say is that I 100% love Amber's collection. And now to complete the look, I am going to be using the glosses. So these are the 4 glosses that you have to choose from, but I am stuck between Sugar and Baby. But then this one's more of like a pinkish gold, so I'm gonna go with Baby. What more can I say besides I'm obsessed? All right guys, case closed. Everybody go get Amber Scholl's collection. All I have to say is that hands down, this is my favorite collection that has come out in a while. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this very chit-chatty video. I 10 out of 10 recommend Amber's collection. It's amazing. So I am very happy that I tried it out live with you guys today, and I will talk to my angels in my next video.